So, hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solutions. Up till now in the Oracle Fusion benefit, we have seen what is benefit. Okay, uh, so we saw what is benefit. So, a benefit in Oracle Fusion refers to a compensation package or non-monetary reward that an employer provides to employees as part of their total compensation. Okay, non-monetary rewards you can say is like some health benefits they are providing, so they'll not pay any uh, cash for that. Okay, and benefit can include health insurance, retirement saving plans, paid time off, and other perks designed to support employee well-being and job satisfaction. The key characteristics of benefit are it is in structured offering. It it provides you eligibility criteria, so you can decide who will get benefit uh, for the benefit plan. Okay, and you can create a eligibility criteria for that. Then there is you can customize the benefit program, and then there's dynamic updates. Okay, next is we saw a few of the examples for benefit, which is health benefit, under which you can have medical, dental, and vision insurance plans. Then there is retirement benefit, under which you can have 401k or benefit or plans. Okay, then there is life insurance, wellness program, paid leave, vacation days, maternity or paternity leave. These are the benefits we can have in the organization. What is the purpose of benefit? It attracts talent, it retains employees, and compliance. Okay. Then we saw building blocks of benefit, which is the important part we discussed. In the left hand side, there's the structure, and on the right hand side, you can see the rules of the benefit, in which you will find eligibility profile, enrollment, rate and coverages, designation, certification, and action items. And in this structure, you will see you will find is programs, plan type, plan, and options. In today's session, we are going to see the basic structure of benefit. Okay, in which okay, so this is your object creation sequence. So you will follow this flow chart, in which the first thing you are going to create is the plan type. Then there is option, which is optional. Then you create your plans, and after that, the last thing you create is plan a program. So the sequence for creating benefit hierarchy objects differ from the resulting hierarchical order. You can create new objects as needed at any time. However, because some benefits hierarchy objects are referenced during the definition of other benefit hierarchy objects, it is more efficient to create these objects in order shown in the figure. Okay, so the first thing, So in the beginning, we create one or more plan types. Plan types organize plans into groups that provide similar categories of benefits such as health, savings, education, and so on. At the plan type level of the hierarchy, you can efficiently administer corporate benefits policies that applies across all plan within the benefit category or type. When creating an option, okay, once we are done with uh, creating a plan type, then we move to creating a plan. So when creating an option, you can optionally associate one or more existing plan types. This restrict the availability of the option to plan that belongs to the named plan type. Okay, so once you are done with creating your plan, then you have if you are having requirements for creating different options, you can, yeah, you will create the options after that, and you will attach it with the plan type. Okay, after that, when using the plan configuration process to define benefit plan details, you must associate one existing plan type and can optionally tie existing options to the plans. So once we are done with plan type and options, you will be going you are going to configure your plan type. Okay, in which you must associate at least one plan type, and you can optionally associate option as well inside the in the plan. Then uh, the final configuration is your program. So when using the program configuration process to define program details, you can associate existing plan type and existing plans with the programs. Okay, so you can either associate plan type or you can associate plans. These two are optional. You can choose either one of them, either plan type or plans. Okay, here you can see uh, the plan. I'll start with plan types. So plan types are what are the categories. Okay, so it you can think it is a wide range of categories. Okay, in which uh, you will have medical, dental, or vision. These type of plan type you can create. After that, you have options. So these are electable choices within a plan. For example, employee only and employee plus family. So you have created, let's suppose you have created two options, employee only and employee plus family. So employee can select opt for any one of the choices, like employee can opt for himself, or employee can opt for employee plus family. Okay, after that we go for plan, which is a specific offering, for example PPO and HMO. And then there is a collection of related plans, which is program, for example health insurance program. Okay, in today's webinar we are going to see plan type and options. So a plan type is a category used to group similar benefit plans in Oracle Benefit. It provides a high-level classification such as health insurance, retirement savings, or life insurance, under which specific plans are organized. Okay, beneath that, you can see example, which is plan type, health insurance, and description is a category of all health related benefit offered to employees. Okay, then let's understand options as well, and then we will move ahead to the practical part. Okay, so a benefit option is specific choice within a benefit plan that an employee can select during enrollment. Options define the level of coverage or services provided under a plan. So let's say you are having a medical plan A, and which you are having an option which is employee plus spouse coverage, in which the which will be covering the employees and their spouses under the selected medical plans, and the cost will be $200 per month. Okay, so if the employee opt for medical plan A, inside that it selected like employee plus spouse coverage. So the medical plan mm, will cover the plan for employee and their spouse, and the cost will be $200 per month. So this is about plan type and option. Let's go ahead to the application and let's create our plan type. I have an scenario in which the requirement is the company wants to offer a comprehensive benefit program for full-time employees that includes health insurance. Employees should choose their options during open enrollment via self-service. Okay. uh, Inside that, these are the two tasks we are going to perform today. So let's go ahead and create our plan type, which is this will be plan type. Okay, so let's go ahead and create our health insurance. I'll copy the name from here, and okay, so in the home page you will go to benefit administration. Inside that you will find plan configuration. So let's click on plan, and then in the task pane you will find benefit types, oh sorry, plan type. So we'll select that and we'll click on create. uh, Let me select the session start date from 1/1. uh, let's select 20. Click on okay, then we have a plan type name. So what I have copied, I'll paste it over here. Let me give a unique name, which is 01. Then you will find self-service grouping, which is the self-service grouping allow you to assign different text to different grouping of benefit. For example, you may want to have a medical and spending account grouped together, so you can include specific text on the high deductible uh, plan works and describe more information about the HSA spending account. You can have link to other pages and use different fonts or color to call attention to information. The self-service grouping is all about getting information to the employee. So let me give you, yeah. So this is an example for self-service group. Okay. Uh, yeah. So these are the texts you will get. So you can see the key feature, provision, medical plan are available in the summary plan description. You can provide links as well, so it will navigate to different pages, and you can provide the details for the plan. Okay, so this is self grouping, uh, self service grouping. So for this health insurance, we will be selecting medical as self servicing group. And then there is option type. So option type controls internal processing. For example, plan types in the health coverage category are processed differently than plan type for saving. So this is in health insurance. So I'll select health insurance, and let me copy the short name as well. I'll paste the short name, short code, and let me click on save and close. Okay, so our plan type has been created. Let's go ahead and create our benefit option. So again, we'll go to task pane, and under plan types, you will find benefit options. Okay, actually, these are all the related configurations you will find for the benefit. So I'll click on benefit options, and let's create one benefit option. Let me change the name. I'll keep the sessions effective date same as the plan type, and let's create for the employee plus spouse. Employee plus spouse, and now you have to select the plan type. It was health insurance 0. Mm, let me search it. Mm, this is our plan type, so I'll select, click OK, and then again OK. Okay, so we have selected our plan type for option. Then you are going to uh, select the dependable person. So since you are creating for spouse, we'll select the group relationship as spouse. Then designation, this is dependent. Okay, coverage all eligible, yes. Let's add the relationship type. Here I'll select spouse. Okay. And we'll click on OK. Let me click on save, and everything has been saved successfully. Let's click on OK. Okay, so we have created for employee, and let's create for employee only. Let me search the employee uh, sorry, option name if it already exists. Okay, so this already exists. Let's not create this. The plan type associated with this is insurance, and uh, in the allowed dependents or beneficiary design, you can see there is no one added. Okay, so yeah, so we have created our plan type and benefit options. So this is all for this session. Let's meet in the next session. If you have any queries, feel free to drop a comment, and we'll meet in the next session. Thank you.